When you're talking about the video classes, I'll get all the links and all on the YouTube description part. You'll find all the links over there. You can easily find, you can just enroll. So it's very simple. You go to the website, I'll provide the link, d2h.sudarshanagrawalclasses.com. I'll get the link provided. So you go to the link, you make the payment online. The lectures are going to be delivered to you. The process, how it works is basically you can make the payment through any of the gateways and all that's there online. You can make online payment. In case there is a problem with the payment, you can ping the coordinator. I'll provide you with all the phone numbers right now, all the WhatsApp numbers and all right now. So in case there is a problem, you can just select the offline mode and you can make an NEFT and just send us a screenshot of the NEFT details and the work will be done. Normally what happens is the payment gateway takes 2-3 days for them to update our records. So when you're making a payment, your payment will be immediately deducted from the bank account, but it will take a couple of days, 2-3 days, 3 working days for us to for it to get reflected on the on our bank account. Once that is done, the material is ready, we dispatch it, and you generally the material across the globe it reaches in maximum 3 days or 4 days or so, on an average 2-3 days. So the time you enroll, within 6 or 7 days you will have the material in your hand. We don't want you to waste 6 or 7 days. You can watch this session which you're already doing probably on YouTube. Then what you do is, you can start with the quants. The first 3-4 chapters of quants are uploaded on YouTube. You can start with those 3-4 readings online. In case you've already seen that and then you are enrolling, in that case also you can just ping the coordinator. She can share a couple of chapters on Drive. So by the time you install the software, you go through the classes on Google Drive, you are able to, and that very moment, in those few days time, you will have the material delivered to you. So that is one. The classes are going to be encrypted. You will have to run it on a software. So even the live students that take videos home, so that classes will be of course encrypted. You'll not be able to play it normally. You'll have to run it on a software. Now when you're looking at the software, it does not consume all the internet. The internet is required only to start this video. So the authentication will be done and you won't be requiring download of so much. You'll only have to start the video. The authentication is going to happen online. The classes work on a Windows laptop. So if you want to work it on an Apple laptop, you'll have to partition the driver, not partition, you have to run a parallel Windows and you can easily play the videos because there are a lot of students who are playing it on Apple laptops as well. While you're working, while you're watching the class or attending, while you're watching the class online on the software, you will not, none of the applications are going to be working. So no email, nothing will ping, and it is very important that you focus and study. So if you want to parallelly work and study, it is not going to happen. And when you're studying, you please focus and study. So you cannot be doing anything else along with that. Every video can be watched 7 times. So you don't have to watch, you won't be needing 150, 170 hours of lectures 7 times. It is just that in case the video shuts down, you shut it down and watch it again, you want to understand again, or you've partially seen it, or there is a technical glitch or something. It is only because of that you have 7 views. Even if you want more views after that because of any reason, you can just ping the coordinator and she will get the needful done. So you don't have to worry about it. It's just to prevent misuse. The lectures will be running on only one laptop. In case your laptop stops working or you want to change to a new laptop, you ping the coordinator, she will shift it to it. But it will work on only one particular laptop. Yes, we have to be concerned a little bit about security, so I hope you guys understand that part. With the new software, we've also added, you can have the speed and all adjusted, so you can speed up or speed down the lectures, so that is going to be there. Once you have enrolled, please make sure that you are a part of WhatsApp group. That will be done from our end. Just in case your number has been skipped out, just make sure live video students, everybody have their own WhatsApp groups. Get added to the WhatsApp group. In case you have to defer your exam, so in that case, give us the mail that you have deferred the exam from the institute and we will extend your validity of your classes. In case you have not cleared the exam for any reason, please send us your result and we will extend the validity of your classes. There will be no charges. The syllabus is same in the current year. It changes from year to year. Whatever new chapters have been added, you are eligible. You will be getting those new chapters on mail. So you can download the new chapters and watch the new chapters. No charges will be implemented on that. For the live students, there are quite a few students who start early. So you can attend twice in 2 different batches also. In case you have not cleared or for any reason you defer the exam, you can always attend the classes again. So you are more than welcome to revise it, attend it again. So all those issues will not happen. So WhatsApp group, now I just need to give you a couple of things. Acha, when you're looking at the video students, you will be getting your whatever mock paper or whatever, not mock paper, whatever practice material needs to be given. So you will have on your pen drive, you will have folders 1, 2, 3 up to let's say 69. So in chapter 1, chapter 2, all the videos of chapter 2 are here, chapter 3 are here in serial order. Now you will not of course be doing the chapters in this order, your order of study will be provided to you. You need to follow that order, and in that order you need to do the chapter. So you watch that particular chapter, you study yourself, then you watch another chapter based on the order of study. There will be another folder of other videos which will be having all the videos on how to prepare, how to practice, how to study, how to revise, how to attempt your paper, and there will be another folder and how to use your calculator. Calculator video is there on YouTube also. There is a 1.5 hour video on YouTube as to how to use the calculator. Don't watch it immediately. Do a few chapters, and with the chapters you start watching, because you have to start using it. You need to know the terms also. Then you have another folder with the revision lectures. So all the revision videos have been put in this folder, and there will be another folder of other with notes and everything. So even though I have told you there is a infinite resources available, you don't have to do everything. I have given you everything. Just in case you need, you don't have to look out for it. Even the past year papers and all, everything is put over here, so you don't have to worry about it. But then I have told you exactly how to go about it and what to study and everything, so that is all provided over here. Whatever handouts or mind maps or whatever was needed in the hard copy, it is going to be given separately to you. So along with the pen drives, that is provided. With respect to doubt solving now, so doubt solving for the video students is, you can do all your doubts on the WhatsApp group. Everybody is a part of a WhatsApp group. Post your doubts only, nothing else on the WhatsApp group. You post your doubts, try to solve each other's doubts, your conceptual clarity will improve. And the next alternative is, every week you will be given a time that you can call between this time, and you can do all your doubts. So all the doubts which are not solved on WhatsApp, first try to get it solved on WhatsApp groups. Whatever is not solved will come to me on one of the weekends or weekdays, whatever, based on the schedule, because weekdays is quite tied up with the classes. So you'll have to bear with me and take out a time and do all your doubts together. So weekly we'll be posting at what time you can call and you can do your doubts. So that is what you can do. We're also working on a discussion forum. I'm not making any commitment on that. We're working on an online discussion forum for all the students together, which will be subject wise tagged and all. So I hope I'll come out with it very soon, in a month or so. So your discussion forum will be there, wherein you can post your doubts, and it will be much more easier. It will be much better coordinated. So I'm just working on that. It should be out very soon. But anyways, I'm not making any commitment on the discussion forum, because till I have things in hand, I don't want to say anything. So there are a lot of other things we are working. Like right now the classes are only available on laptops. The classes are bilingual. So if you understand English and Hindi both, you will be able to attend the classes, because they are both languages are used in order to conduct the classes. It becomes more conversational. So if you do not understand Hindi, you will not be able to do my classes. You need to understand only the basic Hindi. Badhega, girega, that kind of Hindi. So you need to understand basic Hindi. Only if you understand Hindi, then only you'll be able to do the classes. If you want a clarification, watch the first 2-3 chapters of Quants on YouTube, and you'll understand whether you'll be able to manage or not. So it's very simple. You watch the classes and then take a decision. It's very simple. So you watch 3-4 chapters, it'll be good only. So you watch the classes and then you understand and then you enroll. So that is one. With respect to WhatsApp, I just want to request you guys, please make sure you do not post anything other than academic doubts on the group. If you did not get a note, if your delivery was not reached on time, or if any issue that you're facing, you're not able to play the video, you have any technical issue, so any problem you have, you never put it on the WhatsApp group. You will be pinging it to the coordinator. I'll give you all the phone numbers right now, because it becomes annoying, because I have to go through hundreds of groups, and I just want to see the academic part. Because any technical issue or anything you did not get, I did not get the order of study, the coordinator will ping you, will mail you, or will WhatsApp you the order of study. So you don't want to disturb everybody on the WhatsApp group. So make sure you're not doing that. And I'll give you a lot of numbers over here. Just take down the numbers, it will be for your good. This is a WhatsApp number. So all the numbers are WhatsApp numbers. Try to WhatsApp, it's easier than to call, because if there's any issue, we'll get back to you. If you have any technical query wherein your video is not working, software, any problem with respect to that, you WhatsApp over here. And please WhatsApp your user ID along with it and your issue. If you have a screenshot or something, that's even easier because we can solve it quickly. In case your problem is not solved over here, you can always WhatsApp over here. So first of all, for all technical queries over here, if it is not resolved, you can WhatsApp over here as well. These are the two coordinators number. Try to stick to the first one. If the and you can also ping over here. Both are the coordinators for the classes. If there is any complaint, you have to give us 1 working day to get back to you. You might be seeing that the WhatsApp is showing online because everybody is online on WhatsApp web. There are so many people who are trying to take care of all your doubts, all your issues, all your queries, all your problems, but you have to give us time. You're ultimately a student to us, so don't act like a customer, please. I find it really annoying. So behave like a student, work like a student. Give us 1 working day, all your issues will be resolved. Don't worry. In case your issue is not resolved within 1 working day, you can ping me. This is my personal number and I'm very responsive. So, but then you have to make sure that for a technical query, you go over here first. For any other notes, or whatever issue you're having, you ping over here. Any and every issue you ping over here because they have all the answers. If they don't have an answer, they'll get it from me. And if you have a complaint, if you have any problem going on, I'm very approachable. You please ping me on my personal chat. And do not ping on multiple numbers at once, because it creates a chaos in our office. Because if the same person is pinging on multiple numbers, if everybody is trying to resolve, I might as well get into a level where I have to block the number from all the numbers. So don't make a mistake of pinging on all the numbers at once. If any issue is not resolved, you ping me. If you have any complaint, you ping me on my personal number. I will resolve it, because I don't want any student to have a problem, because it is your exam that is at stake. So it is very important, and I put in so much of effort. Of course, I want to see you guys getting through with your exams. So if you have any problem, and absolutely you ping me. I'm in the classes, so taking calls becomes a very difficult problem. So whatever issue you have, don't send me voice notes. You send me a text. I might be sending you voice notes, because I cannot play it all the time when I'm in the class. So just text me whatever query you have, whatever problem you have. But first follow this. For technical issues, this number. If it is not solved, this number. For all the other issues, the coordinator, and they'll guide you. Don't worry, they will guide you. And please give us 1 working day. Monday to Friday, it's 10 to 5 or something. Your Saturday is going to be a little early, 3 or 4 o'clock it gets off. And on Sunday, the technical office is closed. One of the coordinators will respond. So the coordinator is going to be still responding on Sunday. And I am a labor, I work 24/7. So you can just ping me at any point of time. So there won't be any problem as such. But try to do, please, it's genuinely a request. Don't ping on multiple numbers at once. Follow the numbers that have been given. Just bear with me with this much, because I will be able to do better for you guys. So any complaints, if you have, you can always ping me. I'm always there. So give us 1 working day time to get your query resolved. Send in your user ID and all. I think more or less I've covered everything, and yeah, I think more or less I've covered everything. I don't think you should have a problem. Yeah, that's more or less about it. Perfect.